got winds blowing a little over 10. Right now they're blowing down the runway.
Motor on.
I'm thirsty. I'm kind of warm. And we got a crosswind. So, nothing left to do. Let's go flying. I know that battery is good.
Gear up.
It's blowing windy.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Wow, we hung the top of that one in the wind. Like there was little elves over there holding it and then pushing it over. Like, we better tip it over. Hope I was looking up for that. I have a feeling I wasn't, because the beeps kind of threw me off. I got my checker there. It was like 99. The cells look pretty close. Oh well.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
4-cell 2200. I'm flying all my building weights today. And it just freaks me out when it does that, man. And it just started doing it after I updated my transmitter too. So I wonder if that changed. It shouldn't have changed any settings in the models when I updated it to the plus. Interesting. I didn't get any alarms on any of my other flights. Of course, this is the first smart plane I've flown on it.
2 minutes. Gear down.
It's gusty, I don't know.
Take off flaps. Timer stop.
Drag me down. Oh, that was good. It was funny because the wind was blowing from over here, and then it switched and was blowing down here, so that's why I was kind of drifting in. Oh,
Flaps up.
whew, that was fun. I knew landing was going to be a challenge, man. But you know, I want, as long as I landed in the sweet spot. But my goodness sakes, man, that was fun. That was a challenge there. I like that. Hopefully we got that landing, man. Hopefully we got that stall turn. That's the longest I've ever held on the peak of the turn up there. There you have it, man. Eflite Kansas Tornado P47. We're out here, wind's gusting over 10. They're blowing pretty good. It's been a pretty windy, little breezy day, but we're having fun anyway. Well, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing and becoming part of Team Let's Go Flying. Tuco riding the shade, Linda in the sun, Jeff in the sun. P47.